And in today's video, I'll show you guys how you can download your Canva project on your PC. Now this is very simple, so before we move into that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and check out more of our content. So now when you are done with your Canva project, what you can do is go to the share option that's on the top left corner and then scroll down till you see the download option. Click on the download option and there you will see the file type that you can download your project on. So now I will choose standard PDF, but you can choose the image JPG or PNG. So after I choose standard PDF, I'm going to flatten it. So if I want to print it, it can print out real good. And then I'll click on download. Now it's downloading, you can see. And after the download's been complete, I can find it on my downloads. So that is how you do it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.